Now children, let us learn about the different coins and currency used in India. So here in India we used coins and currency notes. First, this is 50 paise coins, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. In India, these are the coins which are in use now. And these are the currency notes which are being used in India. Just like first 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. So these are the coins and currency notes used in India. Now next children, let us learn how to write money in numbers. Just suppose if we have to write down 5 rupees and 50 paise in numbers. 5 rupees and 50 paise. So here कभी भी किसी रुपीस को if we have to write down rupees or money in numbers, here I have given these two blank spaces, first, second and then this point, and then here after this point also I have given two blank spaces. So these two blank spaces, which are placed before this point, here we will write down rupee. Okay, the amount which we have in rupee, and after the point in these two places we write down paise. Okay, the amount which we have in paise. Just like here we have 5 rupees. 5 rupees. How many rupees we have here? We have 5 rupees. And here we have 50 paise. So how many paises we have here? Here we have 50 paise. So these two blank we use for rupee, and these two blanks we use to write down paise. Okay children? So here first we have to write down 5 rupees. So 5 rupees mein we have only one digit. Okay, in 5 we have only one digit. So here we will write down 5 just before this point. 5 rupees. So rupees we will write down before the point, and paise we will write down after this point. Okay, so 5 rupees we have written. Now here 50 paise. So 50 कैसे लिखते हैं हम? 50. So here we have two digits, and here also we have two blanks. So we will write down here 50. Okay, so paise 50, rupees 5 we have. And one more thing children, after writing this we will put here the symbol for rupees. This is the symbol for rupees. कैसे लिखते हैं हम rupees का symbol? First we write down R with the heading ऐसे, and then we cut this like this. So this is the symbol for rupees which we used. And rupees, how many rupees we have? We have 5 rupees. Then we put this point, and after the point we write down the amount we have in paise. So this we have written in numbers. Just let us see, let us understand this with more examples. So here 7 rupees and 50 paise. As usual children, rupees, the amount we have in rupees we write down first 7. Here we have 7 rupees, तो 7 हम पहले लिखेंगे. Then we put a point over here, and then we will write down the amount we have in paise. So here we have 50 paise. So after this point we will write down 50. 50. And one more important thing, never forget to put the symbol of rupees very nicely. Okay children, so this is 7 rupees and 50 paise. Next, 5 rupees. Only 5 rupees we have to write down, no paise we have here. So again we will write down 5 rupees only. Here no need to put the point and no need to write down anything after the point also. So this is 5 rupees only. ओके यहाँ हमें पॉइंट देने की, क्योंकि हमारे पास पैसे में कुछ भी नहीं है, वी हैव नथिंग इन पैसा. सो हियर नो नीड टू पुट द point also and nothing we will write down after the point. So only ₹5 we will write down. Okay, next 15 rupees and 50 paise. So here we have amount 15 we have in rupees and 50 we have in paise. So as usual पहले हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, the amount we have in rupees. तो rupees में कितना amount है, 15. Okay, so first write down 15 and then put the point, and after the point we will write down the amount we have in paise. So here we have 50 paise. 50 कैसे लिखते हैं, 50, and again we will put the symbol of rupees over here. Okay, 37 rupees only. We have 37 rupees, no paise over here. Here also we have no paise, we have nothing in paise. So only rupees है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, only we will write down 37, and here also no need to put the point and nothing we will write down after point also. Now this one is the last and very important, 5 rupees 5 paise. 5 rupees and 5 paise. Sorry, here we should write down and also, and यहाँ पे मिसिंग था जो कि मैंने यहाँ ऊपर में लिख दिया है, 5 rupees and 5 paise. Again सबसे पहले हम रुपीज़ का अमाउंट लिखेंगे. सो हियर वी हैव 5 rupees, तो रुपीज़ लिखा, देन वी पुट द पॉइंट ओवर हियर. नाउ चिल्ड्रेन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन 5 paise. तो आप यहाँ पे सिंपली 5 अगर लिख दोगे तो ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज कभी भी डेसिमल के बाद, कभी भी इस पॉइंट के बाद आपको 2 डिजिट में नंबर्स को लिखना है. कभी भी हमेशा ध्यान देना, अगर सिर्फ 5 है, इफ़ वी हैव ओनली 5 paise, देन हियर वी विल राइट डाउन 05. Okay, after point you will always write down the number in 2 digit. यहाँ हमेशा 2 डिजिट में नंबर होना चाहिए. पॉइंट के पहले आप लिख सकते हो 5 को ओनली 5, लेकिन पॉइंट के बाद अगर सिर्फ वी हैव ओनली 5 paise, देन यू विल राइट डाउन 05 and then here we will put the symbol. Again take one more example, just like here, 6 rupees 16 rupees कर देते हैं. 16 rupees and 7 paise. Okay, so here the amount we have in rupees is 16. We have 16, so we will write on 16 over here first, then we put the point. Okay, and after the point we always write down the numbers in 2 digit. So here we have to write down 7 paise. तो 7 को हम सिर्फ 7 नहीं लिखेंगे, here we will write down 07. Now we will read it as 16 rupees and 7 paise in word, and in number we will write it down like this way. Okay children, so always be careful for this.